party and woman.
Yes. Go to more antibiotics. Oh, Dabai. Okay. This is the 5. The chicken, the chicks. They are growing healthy. We started with 550 to see how it is. This is our first time. This is like experiment. So after this, we're going to go to the next stage. This one is stage A or stage 1. So let's see how they develop. The time, the duration, and the amount of feeds. So we just gave them this long PVC feeder. So I just constructed this today. So wanted to see if they will feed from it. So thankfully and luckily they are eating from it. You can see they are growing steadily. They are growing. They are bigger. They are running helter-skelter. They are running helter-skelter and they are happy. They are very happy and they are satisfied. They are satisfied. They are very lively. So in the next stage, we're going to go to the other side, which is this side of it. So we're going to go to this side of it and start the stage 2. Stage 2 will be next coming month. We're going to get as number as this, the same number we have here, the same number. We're going to keep them in the next side for stage 2. After stage 2, we go to stage 3. Then, once they are growing and they are now large, we raise a cage for them, a battery cage, a place whereby they will stay and start hatchery. So, at the moment, we are feeding them with super starter. We use top feed super starter for them at the moment. So that's what we are going to use for them till we decide to change their food, their feeds. Yeah. So at the moment, they are running here and there. I'm not entering the place. I decided to stay outside since we placed them here because I don't want to infect them. I only allow the keeper to take care of them. So that's why I'm standing outside. I cannot move inside. Thank you.